Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. Let us now recite the complete ayah, Maliki Yawmiddin. Everybody ready? Let's go. Maliki Yawm, Maliki Yawm, Ad-Din, Ad-Din, Maliki Yawm, Maliki Yawm, Ad-Din, Ad-Din. The whole ayah together. Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin. Excellent. Maliki Yawmiddin. You guys are doing such a wonderful job. One last time. Maliki Yawmiddin, Maliki Yawmiddin. Maliki Yawmiddin. MashaAllah.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Next 12 letters are from the tongue tip. Tha, 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 ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From the middle are ja, sha, ya. From the edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat, a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha.
Let's be friends with 2 more letters. Dear children, our new letter today is a. And a is a very special Arabic letter. It loves Arabic atar and therefore loves to stay with it. Arabic is also from a. So on one side of the atar bottle, let me show you the atar bottle now. This is the atar bottle. On one side, atar bottle, on the other side is him standing next and having the same shape as the bottle. Its shape also tells us that it has double opening. It has opening from the beginning and also from the end, from the top and the bottom. Just to remind that we have to open our mouth and the throat in order for us to say a, a. If you slash the bottle of atar, it becomes a. So we have to stress on a. We have to stress on our throat, the middle part, and say atar, a. Very good. Do you see anything that looks like a around you? Can you make the shape of a with your hand? Try to see if you can make the shape of a with your hand. And I'm sure if you explore a little bit around your house and using your fingers and your hand together, you can try to see if you can make a like that. Now let me show you how to write a. Let me grab my marker board and my marker and let me show you how to write a. First I'm going to do the small top opening and then I have the second opening. That is a. Let me repeat again, the small opening and the big opening. I hope that you're following along with your paper and pen and you can also try to write it like that. I hope that you can also use the air that you have and try to write a in the air as well. Children, now I want all of you to lift your chin all the way up and swallow. When you swallow, there's a small bone in the middle of your throat that goes up and down. Try to see if you can press with your thumb lightly and press that part. And from the same place, we'll learn the letter ha very soon. Now, I'm standing here, you don't see my full body, but you can see only my face. So, a comes with face only. And when he's playing with his friends, he holds his friend's right hand, or left hand, or both hands. That's how we will recognize a in a word. Now let us take the letter ha. Do you remember the story of Ja? It has jam sandwich in its stomach. Ha dropped the sandwich on the way and is hungry. Nothing is in his stomach nor in his hand or his head because he's hungry, and it makes special ha sounds from the middle of the throat. So lift your chin all the way up and then swallow, and you have the small bone that goes up and down. Press with your thumb lightly and you can produce the proper sound of ha. Excellent. Ha has a hollow hook like the one I'm showing you for hoisting heavy H. For hoisting heavy. Having a hollow sound of. Can you see this hook that looks like ha? Try to see ha. Very good. Alright. Do you see anything that looks like ha around you? Can you make the shape of ha with your hand? Now, let me show you how to write ha. It's simple and a lot of fun. So, let me take my marker board and also my marker and try to show you how to write ha. Ha. Try to see if you can write again. Ha. Very good. Let's erase it one time and try to see if we can write it one more time. Very good. Excellent. Try to see if you can practice that on your own, and also try to see if you can write that in the air. Very good. Children, pronunciation of ha is from the middle of the throat. Ha. Ha. Very nice. حي على الفلاح. Wow. Again, as we can see that we have been learning and listening to the adhan, and we have come to almost the end of adhan. Not quite, but almost, and it means come to success. How beautiful it is to understand Arabic. So come with me and learn Arabic with actions. Kitabuka means your book. Kitabukum means your book. Kitabuka, your book, for one person. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabukum, your book. Again, kitabuka means your book. Kitabukum means your book. For the last time. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabukum means your book. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabuka. Kitabukum, your book. Oops. That's not how we are supposed to say. We're supposed to say only in Arabic. So repeat after me in Arabic. Kitabuka. Kitabukum. Kitabukum. Very good. Again. Kitabuka. Kitabukum. Kitabuka. Kitabukum. Wonderful. Again. Kitabuka. Kitabukum. Kitabuka. Kitabukum. Can't hear you. Excellent. Kitabuka, kitabukum. Kitabuka, kitabukum. Wonderful. Now, repeat with me. I'm going to go very slowly so you can say along with me. Kitabuka, kitabukum. كتابك كتابكم كتابك كتابكم MashaAllah, that was wonderful. Now, let's practice what we have learned so far. Kitabuhu means his book. Kitabuhum means their book. Kitabuka means your book. Kitabukum means your book. Again, Kitabuhu means his book. Kitabuhum means their book. Kitabuka means your book. Kitabukum means your book. For the last time, Kitabuhu means his book. Kitabuhum, their book. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabukum, your book. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me in Arabic. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuka kitabukum. Kitabuka kitabukum. Excellent. Again. Kitabuka. Oh, I just made a mistake. Be careful. Let's not make a mistake. Ka is this way, not this way. So let's repeat. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuka kitabukum. Kitabuka kitabukum. Wonderful. One last time. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuhu kitabuhum. Kitabuka kitabukum. Kitabuka kitabukum. MashaAllah. Beautiful. Let's play now a game with A. He wants to play hide and seek. Do you? Well, let's go and try to find him. We have the word alayhim. Where is A? Well, it is in the start. A. Excellent. What about in this word ma'a? Well, he's at the end. Excellent. That's what I expected from you guys. How about playing the hide and seek game with ha? Where is ha in alhamdu? Well, not the first letter, not the second, but the third letter, ha. Very nice, children. I'm impressed with all of you. How about this word, al-fathu? Can all of you see where ha is hiding? It is at the end. Excellent. MashaAllah, that was wonderful. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.